Prosecutors think new evidence could prove that Brian and Shannon Gore killed their baby.
And that the couple tried to cover up their crime. Andy Fox was the first to report the investigation has been reopened. He joins us once again. And Andy, you talked to Shannon's mother?
Yeah, last night we reported there would be new charges against the Gores. We did speak with Shannon's mother. We knew this was possible because there was conflicting evidence in the death of their 7-month-old. Those charges were dropped, but now Commonwealth's attorney Holly Smith stated in this news release she has additional information that led to the grand jury indictments. Home video, December 2008, Brian Gore proposing to Shannon. A couple already living a lie. A daughter at home and a son named Connor, who died kept a secret because Shannon was 17 and Brian 22. Shannon's mother, Karen.
Of course, I was saddened, heartbroken, and then I was perplexed.
Perplexed because Shannon, now in prison, was not at home when Connor died.
She's devastated. How do you bring murder charges, in particular for someone that was at work the day that he passed away?
Brian led detectives to Connor's bones, buried in a box under a shed, and has always said he was alone when Connor started having breathing problems. He did not call 911, and Connor died. Shannon and Brian are both charged with homicide and felony child neglect for Connor's death, and are already serving a 30-year sentence for caging and abusing their daughter, who is now 9 years old.
It absolutely is piling on. Absolutely. It's been a very long time. Did the Commonwealth wait till they found someone that could say what they wanted to? I don't know.
An expert for the Commonwealth could not say for sure how Connor died. There is disagreement which explains the homicide charge, easier to prove than the murder charge, harder to prove. Portsmouth Commonwealth's attorney Earl Mobley won't discuss the Gore case, but does explain how he uses a homicide charge.
If you're going to charge somebody with felony homicide, the death is usually the result of or contrary to the intention of the parties or accidental, but it was in the commission of a felony.
But they're still responsible for it, and that's why they're charged.
Absolutely. Yes, sir.
Now, the Gores were served with direct indictments from a May 5th grand jury. They both are in prison serving 30-year sentences. They got this new information on evidence from the Commonwealth's Attorney's Office. Again, Holly Smith unavailable today to share what exactly that new evidence may be. No trial date has been set. In the newsroom, Andy Fox, 10 on your side.